was one in Riga who was a musician who went mad, and the Germans took them all out of the mental hospital into the woods and shot all of them during the Second World War. His brother, Isaac Schlossberg, was probably the most successful, and he was a composer and a conductor in Warsaw, wrote the music to about 80 operettas and operas. He was a wonderful musician. Rimsky-Korsakov complimented him. Almost everybody that was anybody in Jewish music knew of him. And yet, the peculiar thing was, when I bumped into his story, not only was he unknown, his memory had disappeared completely, partly because of the Second World War, partly because much of his music had either been, he never bothered to publish anything when he was alive, and many people had stolen his music and used it. And I know this sounds like sour grapes, but it happened to be true. And I took on as a kind of a mission to try and rehabilitate his memory. And with a little success. I mean, there was a big performance in Boston at Harvard a couple, 3 years ago that I did all of the, I found the music, I transcribed it, and I worked with a musician, a well-known Jewish musician named Zalman Lotek, and they put on this opera called Shulamis at Harvard, and they had 4 performances of it. They used my great-uncle's music. As the orchestra, and they had a big orchestra that played it, and it was a lot of fun.